Waterfall is right down there. Seeing what's down there?
What? I mean, a waterfall.
Waterfall, yeah. Let's look. So Yang, you ready to go on a hike?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see who's in there.
I get out.
No, don't get out.
Hey.
You guys are not going, okay? You guys will not be able to make it this hike. Hey. He's right there. The waterfall right here. I'm gonna walk this way. So let's look at this valley real quick.
Alright.
Ready now, see?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, see?
Yes.
Come on, see? Come on. Woo! We made it, see? Look, see, look. Woo! We made it. Wow. How is it? Woohoo! See, look, see? Okay, that was fun. We're about to head back. More view of this. Woo!
Yes, I made it!
What'd you make it? No, not a good idea. Then Ryu. What?
Huh?
So see, you said hike was easy?
Yeah,
Was it worth driving here?
it's easy hike. It's not like you have something to do. It's just easy.
And it's free, right? That's the best part.